The kids are getting hungry and I'm making chili pasta with garlic and broccoli. There are really only two things that you need to know in order to make a really good pasta. One, how to get that pasta to be perfectly seasoned and al dente. And two, how to make a creamy sauce out of this broccoli without being overwhelming to the kids. This is a forgiving pasta with only 4 ingredients, so make them count. Use fresh garlic. In a pan over medium-low heat, add the olive oil and then the garlic. Garlic burns quickly, so watch it. One tip I have is to keep a little water nearby while cooking the garlic. If it starts browning too fast, add a few drops of water to slow things down. Once the garlic is golden around the edges, add the broccoli. Saute for 1 minute to enhance the flavor, and then add 2 ladles of boiling pasta water. Let's talk about the pasta water. The key to good pasta is to make sure that it's seasoned from within. So for 1 gallon of water, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of salt. Taste it. It should taste like a salty broth. To get perfectly al dente pasta, check the cooking time on the box and subtract it by 2 minutes. The pasta will finish cooking in the sauce. When you bite into the pasta, you should feel like it's slightly undercooked in the middle. I like to use a spider or tongs to transfer the pasta directly into the broccoli. A common mistake I see is that people drain all the pasta water away in a colander and then spoon the sauce on top. But the starch in the pasta water is what brings everything together. It will create that silky sauce. Stir the pasta and the broccoli together, adding more pasta water as needed. You actually want a small pool of liquid at the bottom of the pan. This is the beginning of the sauce. After 2 minutes, the pasta should be cooked. Turn off the heat and add the cheese. Mix until creamy and then finish with a drizzle of olive oil on top. If you want to make this dish a little more fancy, toast some panko breadcrumbs in olive oil until golden brown. Turn off the heat, add some lemon zest, and sprinkle the breadcrumbs over the pasta right before serving for an extra crunch and brightness. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share with a fellow parent.